Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma. First of all, thank you everyone. Nowadays, you people are supporting very well so that our channel is growing. Recently, we have crossed 58,000 subscribers, and thank you everyone who are supporting from the day one itself. And coming to today's vacancies, so first vacancy is from Amniel. They are hiring for Sej Matoda, Ahmedabad Department, Quality Control and Manufacturing OSD. So my dear friends, this is a walk-in interview on 5th June, Friday. So how to attend the interview regarding, you can check out our channel for how to attend a walk-in interview. So coming to the details of the interview venue, so which is at Amniel Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. So plot address is here. Here you can see Amniel Pharmaceuticals, Village, Mathoda, Sarkis Bawla Road, Ahmedabad, Pharma Edge. Plot number also mentioned here. So please search this in Google Maps so that you can reach out to the location if you don't know about it. So coming to the vacancy details, as I already mentioned, this vacancy is for QC and manufacturing packing. So in QC, they are looking for officer level to executive level. The qualification is MSc, BSc. So B Farm candidates can also apply for this opportunity. Minimum 2 years, maximum 6 years. So the qualification required is mentioned here. You must have experience in using UV, IR, HPLC, UPLC, GC, LCMS, etc. Knowledge of CGMP, that is 21 CFR Code of Federal Regulations requirement, and Alcoa Plus also have a touch on LIMS, analysis of intermediates, finished products, etc. Next important thing is for operators to executive level vacancy in manufacturing and packing. Here the qualification starts from BA, ITI, BSc, diploma. B Farm is the highest qualification. So 2 to 6 years is the experience. So how to apply for this opportunity? You need to scan the QR code and apply. So if you are unable to attend the interview, you can share your CV on the below mail ID. So first of all, why this QR code is given? So if you are planning to attend the walk-in interview, you need to register yourself. So only registered candidates are eligible for the walk-in interview. That's why you need to scan the QR code. And coming to the next vacancy, which is from Alchem Laboratories. So this is also a walk-in interview at Daman, but work location is also same. But interview venue is Papaya Tree Group of Hotels. So walk-in interview at Daman. Interview venue is not the company premises, which is at Papaya Tree Group of Hotels indoor. So that is the interview venue. So documents required are copy of your resume. So wherever you are going for a walk-in interview, these are must: last 3 months pay slips, your salaries breakup, Aadhaar card, latest increment letter, photo, passport size photograph, and PAN card. So these are the requirements, basic requirements whenever you are attending a walk-in interview. So coming to the vacancies, the vacancy are there for QC formulation, production manufacturing, and production packing. So in production packing, starting with the least qualification, which is ITA, and the highest qualification is B Farm. The experience is 2 to 6 years. Next is formulation. So they are looking for QC, B Pharma, MSc candidates, minimum 2 to 7 years of experience. You need to have finished product stability, analytical instrumentation. Next, production manufacturing, they are looking for operators, are simply called as technical associates. 2 to 6 years. Diploma, BSc, ITA being the least qualification. You must have experience in core area, Worcester, like GLAD, 21 CFR SCADA, pellet coating, bottom spray, granulation, compression, coating, capsule, liquid manufacturing filling, sachet filling, etc. And coming to the next vacancy, so this is an interview. See, all this is also a walk-in drive at Bangalore on 14th of June, starting 9 a.m. onwards at the venue Jubilant Biosis Limited at the company only. Job location is Mysore. Department production. Qualification diploma, BSc, BTech, MSc chemistry, chemical. 1 to 5 years in API or SRP. Coming to the next vacancy, which is from Hetero. This company is located at Jatcharla. So they are having vacancy in production OSD, oral solid dosage form, and QC as well. So my dear friends, the qualification is same for most, but here for QC they are looking for M-Form candidates also. Experience 2 to 9 years. Junior executive, officer level to executive level. Immediate joiners are preferred. So what you need to bring, as I already mentioned, last 3 months pay slips, academic documents, photocopy, CTC particulars, ID proofs. and also a photograph, passport size photograph. Timings 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Hotel Ujwala Grand, Gandimaisamma, Hyderabad, Medak Road. So those who are attending, you can, for location you can scan this QR code. That's why look, QR code is given for this. This is on 7th June, Sunday. And next vacancy is a mega pool campus placement drive in association with Pandit Dayal Upadhyay Job Fair on 3rd June 9 a.m. onward. District Skill Employment and Entrepreneurship Guidance Center, Pune. So recruiters are mentioned here: MQ, LVS, Modepro, Lavender, Omni Active, Clean Science, Sohan, Genova, Centure Pharmaceuticals, etc. Documents required: a resume, 5 copies, single paper with all educational docs. So resume must be in single paper. Next, eligibility 10th or 12th, D Pharma, B Pharma, BSc, MSc, MSc Biotechnology. Package based on qualification and interview performance. You need to register yourself, so please scan the QR code. Coming to the next vacancy, which is from Bio4. This is also on 3rd June, that is tomorrow. Bio4 India Pharmaceuticals Limited at JNPC Parvada, Visakhapatnam. So they are hiring for production chemist 1 to 5 years. And coming to the next vacancy, Sterile Gene Life Sciences Private Limited. This is a US FDA facility in Puducherry. This is on 6th June. Sterile production chemist, sterile production operator, OSD production chemist, OSD production operator. Sterile Gene Life Sciences Private Limited. Next vacancy is job openings at Nutraceutical Division, QA, IPQA, QA, QC, production packing. So similar vacancies are there in warehouse engineering and engineering projects. Next, LR Formulations Industries Private Limited. So they are conducting walk-in interviews. So here you can see the details for positions. You must have experience in OSD. So they have not given the detailed. You can visit for a website. They are saying to visit the website for the available positions. This is on 6th and 7th June. I think the vacancies are from Stellar only, whatever they are there. So please go through the details. So all these are for Stellar only. See, same. These are the vacancies. Next is Granules. This is conducting walk-in interview. This company 6th June 2026 Sunday. So this is a company where you will give alternate double off. So this is one of the good points you can know about Granules. So they are hiring for production, warehouse, engineering, and QC. And also one more thing, in this company you cannot do overtime. Only 8 hours shift working hours only, and there won't be any overtime in this company. So this is a very good company for employees, work life balance. So you can check out the opportunities: granulation, roaster coating, compression coating, bottle or blister packing, capsule filling, warehouse engineering, and quality control. Whatever the documents required are mentioned here. Interview location: Granules India Limited, Gagillapur, Hyderabad. Next is Ajanta Pharma. They are hiring. So on 6th June 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. there are several vacancies. You can check out. Next, Sri Krishna Pharma, 2 to 4 years, open position, API bulk drugs. Next, Alembic Pharmaceuticals, vacancy in production OSD, packing OSD, production API, engineering, quality function, Q and QC, injectable OSD and API. Next, also Global Calcium, they are hiring 5th June, 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. When you Global Calcium Private Limited, only male candidates only, freshers 0 to 5 years can apply. Next, Cronus Pharma, this is a mega walk-in drive for apprentice. So 20 vacancies are there. Educational qualification is ITA diploma, D Pharm, any graduation in science, B Pharma. Department production and packing, date 3rd June. So please do utilize the opportunity. Ipca Laboratories is also conducting walk-in on 6th June and for quality assurance, production quality control, and Corona Remedies. They are hiring. Department Regulatory Affairs, Ahmedabad, 2 to 5 years. Department B Pharm or M Pharm. And also this company, Cadilla Pharma, is currently hiring for API Research and Development Department, Gujarat. MSc Organic Chemistry, Analytical Chemistry, freshers. Next, Sun Pharma, this is hiring. This company is currently hiring on 2nd to 5th June. These are the walk-in interviews: OSD manufacturing, OSD packing, quality control, quality assurance, engineering department. So please utilize the opportunity. And IPQA, QA, QC reviewer, validation, qualification are the available positions in quality assurance, quality control analyst, OSD packing technicians, manufacturing technicians, and supervisors. Thank you for watching. For job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Alert and remember the name Naveen Kotne, hashtag Naveen Kotne. Thank you.